Come on down and I want to show you something. So we've shown this wall quite a bit, and we've shown you what we planted in it and how we planted it, but we didn't really talk about the why. And this is Sedum kamchaticum, and we planted it in this wall, and this wall does not get a whole lot of sun. So we needed something that was going to do well without a lot of sun, and that limits your plant selection. Now this is a sedum, which is technically a sun lover, but this variety, Sedum kamchaticum, will also do well in shade. And it just throws out a bigger leaf than it does in the sun. So that was one reason to select it. The other is because we didn't really want to have to irrigate this. We do have some irrigation on the top for these purple cone flowers and these grasses, and it will get some water down through here, but it's drip irrigation, so it's very directed to the top. So we needed a wall that was tough, plants that were long lasting. We weren't going to plant this every year. We wanted plants that would take it in the shade and could take some sun if maybe we lose a tree or something and we get more sun. And then the last thing is we have a ton of deer, and deer eat everything. And if you look here on the tops of the purple cone flowers, they haven't flowered yet because the deer keep coming along and browsing these things. And so we've got a few challenges with that, but they don't eat this sedum, and that's the big deal. So we've got drought tolerance, we've got shade tolerance, we've got deer resistance, we've got easy care, longevity. A lot of reasons why we chose this. Now, if we were in the sun, or even if we wanted to, we didn't have the deer and we weren't concerned, we could plant something different in every pocket, and it could be a living work of art, different than this. My goal for this one was to get complete plant coverage over this. And each of these plants is going to grow together to cover this wall face. And that's really the look I wanted. And these guys are just getting ready to flower. They probably would be flowering if they got more sun. You can see the little flower heads here. They're getting ready to pop open, and they will flower yellow all the rest of the summer. And the bees and other pollinators will be all over this. So it's great forage for pollinators. So those are some of the basics of plant selection in this particular wall. And if you've got questions, you can always reach out to us and we can help you make a good selection for your wall. Thanks.